into my crib.
Hello, who?
Vogue.
Vogue.
Oh, Vitamix! But we didn't get no fruit. Then we have a hammock in the middle of the living room. Woo! Tiny little bedroom. But what more do you need to sleep in a bed? This place is actually big as fuck. It's just kind of flat. We're having culture shock. I'm so close. I got one. Oh my god. I didn't message him. Not ready?
Oh no, I don't want to die.
Good morning. It is our second day. Derek's still asleep. We're gonna go hike at this trail called like Dunnafield Creek. And it's in New Jersey. It's about an hour away. I feel a lot more well rested because we only got like 3 hours of sleep last night, or night before last. I had to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning for the airport and then flew, and so I feel like today is our first real day. We're off. Almost fell. We're off. Anything to say?
I'm gonna own this hike. I'm gonna come back looking the same as when I left.
Guys, look at this monster.
Don't slip. Ooh. Don't jump. Don't jump. Just get low. Do a squat. Sumo squat.
Oh! Almost fell. I feel like... So we don't know how long we've been hiking. We've at least been hiking for at least 3 miles.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. We're lost.
Where we going?
I have to go up.
That gotta be the intro right there. You gonna die one day. You gotta just do shit. Cannonball.
We're on our way to New York. It's our first time taking a subway. It's our first time ever being in New York. So, pray for us. I'm not there yet, but I'm scared. Outfit.
Hey, gotta give me a twirl spin. Hey.
PT Twins. You can sing your song. Keep going.
I don't know the words.
I'm nervous because I don't want to be under the ground. So,
Oh wow.
train man?
You. Nah, it's just blacked out. They got blue lights on. What you mean? Like
Day 3.
ah, smooth. Yeah, man. Smooth.
We're in Soho.
Soho.
I got this belt,
Soho.
got a hose, and I got a shirt.
Hey, 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 hey.
way to Coco
Coconut.
Coconut 10 out of 10.
Coconut was a 10 out of 10.
Vibes, 10. Customer service 10. Food 10.
20 minutes.
20
we will be
minutos.
at the Subway. We got our snacks, and now we're going to the Subway. The fit. Hey, jump. Hey. Can't take 2 minutes.
No. I think that's a Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh, this the best view. Get your digital.
He's barking. We made it to the flea.
Hey.
Papa Willie. After we went all the way across the bridge to Manhattan, and we missed it, and then we had to come back around. But we made it.
Cool, watch.
Yeah.
Whether it swells a little bit or if you
Yeah.
That's sick.
That's
It's crazy.
crazy.
Yeah. But they're sick though.
Take a picture on the phone.
Hey, what's the plan?
She's on the Subway.
That's all.
Oh, I didn't know you was recording. We're gonna find the Subway. Go back to Coconut and go back to Soho. And see all the cool people walking around with cool outfits.
Not no shoes, I don't think. Ah! Okay, go for it. Anything to say about the day?
And I got me some cool rings. I got me some cool watches.
You know this shit don't ever stop us. Hey, you know we got coaches.
We're gonna try to find Smoosha one more shopping store to go to tomorrow. We're going to go Central Park.
I wanna stay another 5 days.
Hey.
I don't even play.
Hey.
You know I'm not.
Okay. Sorry.
I might be.
Hey. You got pussy, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey.
Do wheelie! Do wheelie! Boo! Okay, so talk about the experience at the bookshop and how we got there.
Source of knowledge. That was like one of the greatest grounding experiences I ever had in my life. Like, I just felt home. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just felt home in my spirit. Not just because I was around black folks, but just my spirit in general, you know? I can't even explain it in words.
Everything happens for a reason. We're supposed to go to a Goodwill, and it ended up being just a donation center, and he like made a joke like, haha, you don't have good directions.
It's so beautiful.
And then we were kind of bummed out. But then there's this lady that had blonde hair, insert the picture here, and she was a cop with her horse, and we asked if we could take a digital picture of her because she was so awesome. And we don't have cops on horses in Texas. Ironically.
There are plenty of horses.
Plenty of horses, plenty of land. It's like we didn't ask them for recommendations or anything. She just told us to go to this bookstore. So we walked to this bookstore, and it's just a whole bunch of like Black history books, Black history children's books.
Even
like
newer books. It's just a black,
yeah, even newer
organized
books.
book.
Really awesome. Oh, Paul, go fast. I'm really tired. I'm starting to miss the dogs. The car's a mess right now. I got this children's book. I got this book that has like it tells us what the different signs mean and stuff. I got this one. You know what it's about?
No.
I got this one.
I know it's a religion of Etho, which is African religion.
I got this one because I watched that whole hour-long video by Bill Cosby, and I just feel like this will have more information. I feel like it's gonna have information that I never even like. I don't think it's gonna be the surface level information.
You're the coolest person in the world, bro.
You know? Am I feeling? It's observing. Here's Derek. We're in Central Park. Cute puppy. Excuse me. Can I pet your dog?
Yeah, of course.
Yes? Hi. Oh. Hi. Taking kisses. Hi. Bye-bye. I have the e-bike, so Derek's riding the fishies by himself.
It's your last night in New York. How do you feel, Princess?
I feel really sad.
What was your favorite part?
First day was really fun with Dario.
Yes.
UCD. He took us around, and it was really fun. And I feel like that really set the tone because then we would have known to ride the bikes.
Yep.
We wouldn't have been as comfortable riding the bikes if we did. We wouldn't like. He just like really made it feel like he showed us the culture.
Yep.
Like so that was really fun.
Yes.
And then I really liked walking around the Brooklyn Bridge. I really liked Soho. I really liked that we saw like. I feel like we saw a lot of New York.
Yes, we saw a lot.
We didn't ride the subways that much. We like rode 40-minute bike rides.
Yes, we saw all the
saw
dishes.
like I feel like we saw stuff that if you came just to see monuments that you wouldn't usually see. And I want to cry. I don't want to leave. What about you?
My favorite part was the same as you for UCD. That was just like the door opener. Because at first it was like, what are we going to do out here? And then that just opened the door for us to do everything out here. And then my second favorite part was going to this store, the Source of Knowledge. And that was just the best experience. Got to see that the culture is still alive in every single way, not just all the races, but especially black people, man. And, I can't really even pick a real favorite. Everything out here was awesome. We're gonna go back to Texas with like different perspectives and the biggest mindsets ever. And then we're gonna come down here probably 3 times a year. It was just awesome. But We know how to ride the subways now. We know how to get around. We know how to drive crazy on the bikes like everybody do.
Literally, we're pros. We're pro bikers. I want to say, I don't know where this cough's coming from, but I want to say we're pro subway people.
After today?
I want to say
Forgot
pro.
about today?
I wouldn't say.
I know how to read it now.
Okay.
I swear.
I would say we're like
I just didn't understand the
70%.
stops.
I would say we're 70% pro.
I'm 100% pro, bro.
I'm definitely 0% because I didn't do a damn thing on the subway, but I'm feeling very motivated.
Yes.
Very like, just so much motivation. Like everybody, I don't like the word gets to it, but like
Everybody getting to something.
everybody is just pursuing their passion. Not everybody, but people that we were surrounded with were pursuing their passions. Like UCD, him talking about his stuff.
Everybody just
Yeah, everybody's out just like living life. People at the
going to work.
bookstore, she like had her own thing going, bro. Hey, that's all we get.